Piggy, get off the road! Piggy! Alright guys, today we're putting hood pins, these hood pins here, on the fiberglass SRT hood. I got one side in right here. Got this set in, drill the holes, and put the latch on top. And yeah, so since that side's completed, I'm just going to show you how to do it. This side, I use these holes right here. It's already pre-made in the frame thingy. There's a hole down there, the bottom goes straight through, which you kind of need. See, on this side, kind of goes right through to the bottom. So yeah. Alright. So I got this one off Amazon. It's kind of on the cheaper side, you know. I just wanted something for now. But yeah. So instead of the cable that you attach to the inside of your grill so that you don't lose this pin, it comes with this slider so that you know you don't have to use that cable. I wasn't a big fan of the cable, so when I saw this I was like, oh, that's perfect. So first you're gonna put a nut all the way to the top and the washer, and you stick it in here, and you go through the bottom. Let me take this out real quick. Yeah, you go through the bottom and you put this washer on and this nut. So let me take this off and we'll get to that. Alright y'all, yes, I am working without a shirt. It's pretty hot today. That in there, the washer, if you guys can see that, and the nut there. Twist it. So it's kind of like about this high. You guys can see it, but get this washer back in. All right, bro. Alright, so something like that. Now you're wondering, right? You probably saw some videos on YouTube, but in case you're wondering how I know where to put the hole exact, I'll show you a little secret right here. Alright, a little tip. Today I'm using my kids' Crayola's paint. So I just took a little Q-tip here, dabbed it, alright. Get some ink on there, and just put it right here on the top. That should be good. Yeah, let's go. Cover this paint up, close the hood, and that pin should leave a paint mark where we have to drill. So let's do that real quick. I don't see it. Alright, gotta do that again. Alright, so I put a thicker layer on there. Let's see if it works now. That's probably it. Probably not thick enough to actually transfer to the hood. And yeah, that's about it. Spot right there. Alright, so you see we got the orange mark right here on the pin. It's right there. Just about the same spot as that side. So Yeah, let's just go. So get this drill real quick. So yeah, these are the things you're gonna need for this project. You're gonna need a drill, of course, and some drill bits. I don't have the bigger drill bit that I should be using, but I use the old twirly technique to make the hole bigger. But yeah, I gotta find a small drill bit. So yeah, I'm using the smaller drill bit right now for a pilot. Pilot meaning just starting off with a small hole, you know, right here. So yeah, we're gonna pilot it in and then get the bigger drill bit to actually make a bigger hole. So yeah, let me start the drilling here. Alright, we got the small hole in there. Let's go make the big hole. For the biggest size bit I have is a 3/8. Probably an inch would have worked better. Nah, maybe a half an inch would have worked better. But yeah, this is all I got in my kit, so I'm just gonna use this. And yeah. So yeah, you see the pilot hole right there. Put the drill bit into the smaller hole. Drill. Take your time. Keyword is to take your time, guys, right? Don't rush these things. Don't rush it, alright? Just take your time. So let me go do my little swirly actions, make this hole a little bit bigger so the pin can go in. Okay, so I got so far. Let's see if it's big enough. I doubt it's gonna be big enough, but let's just see. Nope, not big enough. Not sure if you can see it there. No, it's not focusing, but yeah, pin's not going through, so I'll make the hole a little bit bigger. Alright guys, so yeah, the drill is charged. The battery died. I'm not sure if I mentioned in the last clip, but yeah, it died, so I'm going to go charge it. So while I was charging, I installed the new side markers. Those of you who don't know, my side markers did fall off because the centerpiece for my splitter was being ignorant. So I replaced the harnesses, got new side markers, so those are in, and yeah, so I can finally finish this job. Alright, let's just make this hole a little bit bigger. Alright, finally got the hole to the size it needs to be. Actually, the holes look pretty identical in where they are. So now we need that paint again. Where's the paint? My son took the paint back. So yeah, I'm gonna get that paint, mark over here, close it, and it should mark on the inside where we need to drill again. So yeah, let's get that paint. Alright, so we got that on there. I'm really hoping that's enough paint. Alright, do it again. I don't even think it touched. Oh, it did. See that mark right in there, boys? That's where we got to drill again. Again, I'm going to start off with the pilot size. This is actually just check, it's a 7/64. Say so right there. I'm not sure. It's not focusing. Focus, baby. Focus, baby. There you go. 7/64. So yeah, that's the size I'm using for the pilot. You could use a smaller or bigger size. I'm not sure. You know, I don't really know what I'm actually doing here. I'm just going off what I saw on YouTube. All right, so yeah, I'll just drill this bad boy real quick. All right. There's a hole in my hood. All right, there it is. Smack dab in the middle of the orange. Now I just gotta go with the bigger one. Do the same thing again. I forgot to mention is you might want to wipe the paint off of the pin before it's too late. Alright, so drilled the bigger hole in there. Now I just gotta do the swiggly, make it bigger. And yeah, I'll get to that now. Holy crap, guys, my bad. I was working, I forgot that I was trying to record, but yeah, so got the hole in, right?
Gucci flip.
Big enough. Then you gotta adjust the pin to height, to how you want it. Then you put this on, square it off the way you want it, drill it in, and then yeah. They do have rivets that came with the set, but I'd rather just use the screws for now, because in case I want to take off the hood pin for the hood latch for some reason. But yeah, it's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good, but then again, I wasn't going for it for looks. I was going for safety reasons, not for looks. But yeah, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know. Piggy, get off the road! Piggy!
Mom, look, move fast.
Piggy, move! Here, take my phone. Piggy, move! What the hell? I never did see a pig over here. Alright everybody, that'll conclude the video for today. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys enjoyed what you guys saw, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications for more content, and if you guys are not new, I appreciate the continued support, and yeah, I'll try to get more content out there. Peace.
Everybody talking but they coming to the show, pulling up, being on swerving, bad bitch pushing on curving.